We're told that a large bubble tea costs $6.50 before sales tax. The total cost after tax is $6.76. What percentage of the original price was the sales tax? Pause the video and try to calculate that. Okay, so we know the absolute amount of sales tax there is. It's the difference between $6.76 and $6.50. So if we just take $6.76 and we were to subtract from that $6.50, we are going to get 26 cents. So that's the absolute amount of the sales tax, but we want to figure out what percentage of the original price was the sales tax. So to calculate that, we would take the sales tax, which is a quarter, and we would, oh, actually, I want to be careful. It's 26 cents. I wrote 25. 26 cents. So we want to take the sales tax, that 26 cents, and we want to divide it by the original price to figure out what percentage of the original price it is. So we're going to divide that by $6.50. And actually, I'll get a calculator out for that. We could do it with some long division, but this will be a little bit faster. So 0.26 divided by 6.5 is equal to 0.04. So this is equal to 0.04, which is equal to 4%. And we're done.